I'm Shivani and I work with Oxfam India's public engagement team. Today with me is Roshan, who is the country manager for India Voto Mobile company, and Sohina is the project manager for mobile intervention with Voto Mobile, and Oxfam is engaging with them on a project on gender justice. And I would like Roshan to talk about how we are using tech in rural areas to spread our campaign.
Sure. Thanks, Shivani. I have to say we're really excited to be working with Oxfam because the gender justice team has quite a lot of a history of work in certain areas of Bihar, especially the 126 village groups that we're working with have been doing a lot under the Bano Nahi Soch campaign. And so the idea here was to say, can we move beyond normal mobile engagement that we see in the development sector? Our organization is very involved with designing such mobile campaigns and so on. And so there have been a lot which have been just for basic engagement or just to collect basic amounts of data. And here, I guess our focus is more on innovation and really reaching out to the youth on the technologies that they are really comfortable using. So that is both smartphones and social media as well as feature phones with sort of a message, a campaign that transcends both of those mediums, talking about their aspirations, talking about what they see in the future, and putting gender justice in that sort of space, saying that we want modernity, we want a mobile-led future, and that mobile-led future does not include violence. And so taking this kind of an approach, designing a campaign and also the data analytics around that to really make sure that happens.
I guess so far, it has been great working with Oxfam because we got the opportunity to visit the fields where this campaign was being led by various local organizations that Oxfam is working with, and we actually saw the root of the problem, where these problems are coming from, and also the mobile trends that these, the youth in the villages, they have the trend about how are they using the phones, and are they using the phone to get information, and that kind of helped us design the whole thing that we are basically going to launch, pretty soon. And with the field visit as a base, and then this content workshop that we're going to have, and the workshop in the future that we're going to have with Oxfam and with the local partners, it's basically going to help us design the whole program, the campaign, and just not in a very mundane way, but trying to add more innovative strategies or innovative interventions to make it more useful for youth to grasp the kind of awareness or whatever information that we already are giving them, but in a more fun way that they can grasp the information. So it's actually great to be working with Oxfam to make gender violence awareness fun. I mean, it sounds very cliche, but just people can actually are happy or they're excited to get this information in a fun way.
So to sum it up, Oxfam India is really excited to work with a tech platform on our campaign Bano Nahi Soch and use innovative new methods to spread our message and find behavioral change happening with the youth.